Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to start a group call in Snapchat. Group calls allow you to connect and chat with multiple friends simultaneously. So, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open the chat interface. Step 3. Inside the chat interface, tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner. This will allow you to start a new conversation. Step 4. In the New Call tab, you can select the members you want to include in the group call. Simply tap on the names of the friends you wish to invite. Step 5. After selecting the desired members, tap on the Start Call button to initiate the group call. By following these steps, you can easily start a group call in Snapchat and enjoy conversations with multiple friends at once. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.